west. I will say to the north, give up, and to the south, keep not back. Bring my sons from far and my daughters from the ends of the earth. He's calling his children back from all ends of the earth, north, south, east, west. I am going to reclaim what was always mine. I'm going to call back my seed. Because once again, like I said, before you were formed in your mother's womb, God knew you. Before you were ever a child of your earthly mother and father, you were a child of God and you didn't know it. Those gifts within you, yeah, they're from God. And the gifts of God are without repentance. So up to this point, you could live an unrepentant lifestyle and still use those gifts. But now God is saying, no, 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 no. I'm calling you back so that you can use the gifts in fullness. And why is that? Because then you'll even be able to understand that because I am the source, you can't even maximize the potential of what's within you without maximizing your relationship with me. Come on.